Asia is no longer just a pharmaceutical manufacturing hub. It's becoming the global leader in biopharma innovation. The region's biopharma market is expected to grow from $74 billion to over $133 billion by 2033, driven by aging populations, better healthcare, and demand for personalized medicine. Asia-Pacific now accounts for more than 65% of global biotech patent grants, with rapid advances in AI-powered drug discovery, cell and gene therapies, and antibody-drug conjugates. Global companies are taking notice. Pfizer, AstraZeneca, Merck, Roche, and Novo Nordisk are expanding across China, India, South Korea, and Singapore through major R&D and manufacturing investments. For international businesses, opportunities span research, manufacturing, clinical trials, and biotech partnerships, but success depends on understanding each market's regulations, IP protections, and local ecosystem. Asia is shaping the future of biopharma. Companies that enter now will be best positioned to capture one of the world's fastest-growing life sciences markets.